My name is Srikanth and I am a director from Shrijothi New Media Consulting Services, a firm firmly involved in print consulting, print management and 3D printing. We have been in this field for over 2 decades, particularly in print consulting. I'm personally myself a graduate of mechanical engineering and also into management. 3D printing is growing phenomenally, and that is why it interested me to start this program, particularly conducting a workshop on innovating through design freedom and printing in 3D. Why is this required? Today, there's a lot of limitation in design. Competing from China, from other countries, India is now on the cusp of innovation. Welltech stands out a lot with 3D printing in particular, with 3D printers available in the lab, with the tinkering lab, and with today's workshop encouraged by the convener and the CEO of Welltech Incubator, Mr. Rajaram. It's a program for students to innovate, think freely in 3 dimensions. New vertebrae have been planted, and it has been very highly useful in medical sciences, also in dental and jewelry, in architectural models, in mechanical components, automobile parts, and name it, everything. From head to toe, 3D printing is a game changer today. So with this program today, we aim to make the students get passionate, get to do about what to learn in 3D printing and what's new in 3D printing, and actually get to the works, put their hands onto the design table, being able to design something new using the softwares available like SolidWorks and Pro Engineer or whatever software. Think freely, bring out a new design, bring out new concepts, because 3D printing doesn't need any assemblies. They are fastener free. You can even create an aircraft out of 3D printers. So I think the future is going to be here. The future is changing. Therefore, I'm happy to be here, and thank you Welltech for asking me to be here, and thank you students for encouraging me for this program. Thank you.